Hi students, today we will discuss about intermediate first year syllabus, which topic means hydrocarbons. In that hydrocarbons, what was the our topic heading means acetylene reactions. So acetylene reactions, it is a important question for 8 marks for IP purpose. So what was the question about acetylene reaction means how does acetylene reacts with the following reagents? Give corresponding equations and name the products formed in the reactions. So what was the first one reagent means acetic acid, second one water, third one hydrogen, fourth one halogens, and next one hydrogen halide, and the last one ammonical silver nitrate and cuprous chloride. So this is the question about the acetylene. So what was the how to explain that a particular these reagents reacts with acetylene means first one reaction addition with acetic acid. So what was the formula of acetic acid means CH3COOH. So what was the formula of acetic acid? CH3COOH. So how does when the acetylene is reacts with acetic acid means, so before that what is the formula of acetylene means CH triple bond CH. So this is called as a acetylene. So acetylene is reacts with what is that acetic acid. So in the presence of Hg plus 2, so mercury, so the formation of product like a vinyl acetate. So how to the formation of this particular vinyl acetate means, to see that, so acetylene formula what is that? CH triple bond CH. So in acetylene how many bonds are present? 3 bonds are present. So in acetic acid, so initially by the write the product of vinyl acetate. So we are learning that how to getting of this product from between these two means, so acetic acid initially we are divided into two type of ions. So first one is a acetate ion CH3COO minus, and the next one H plus. So how to addition with this acetic acid, particularly acetylene means addition. So what is the meaning of addition means adding of groups. So adding of groups means particularly in acetic acid we are divided into two type of ions. First one is what is that? CH3COO minus, and the second one is H plus. So how to addition with this acetylene means 3 bonds are present. So we are adding of in each group the bonds are decreases. So initially how many bonds are present in acetylene? 3 bonds are present. So by the addition of this acetic acid, so we are getting a triple bond can change into which bond means double bond. So initially, so two type of ions are there in acetic acid, CH3COO minus and H plus. So we are adding this one group, and another side we are adding of another group. For example, H is there. So we are initially adding that hydrogen from this side. So we are getting of what was the initially product, already CH is there in acetylene. So we are adding of H ion from acetic acid to this acetylene. We are getting of which product initially? CH2. By the addition we are already tell that the bonds are decreases by the addition of products, by the addition of the groups. So triple bond get converted into which bond? Double bond. So already which group is present on acetylene? CH is there. So in acetic acid remaining which ion is present? CH3COO minus. So this CH3COO minus by the adding of this side. So finally we are getting of which product? CH, CH3. So this is called as a which product? Vinyl acetate. So this is the reaction about by the addition of acetic acid on acetylene. So what was the second one reaction? Addition of water. So what is the formula of water? H2O. And what is the formula of acetylene? Already we are see that CH triple bond CH. So in that also we are divided into the water two type of ions, like which ions? H plus ions and OH minus ions. Same similarly reaction regarding to the addition of acetic acid, same manner in that particularly water also. So totally in water how many ions are present? We are divided into the water molecule two ions. One is H plus, another one is OH minus. By the addition of water, what was the product we are getting of reacts with acetylene? Means when acetylene is reacts with water to form which product initially? Vinyl alcohol. So how to getting of this particular vinyl alcohol means see that reaction. So what is the formula for acetylene? CH triple bond CH. And water molecule we are divided into two type of ions. In that first one is a H plus, another one is a OH minus. How to adding of this water molecule means see that the reaction. So what is the formula of acetylene? CH triple bond CH. So water molecule we are divided into two type of ions. In that first one is a H plus, second one is a OH minus. So how to addition? Addition means same. Two groups are added to the acetylene. So initially in CH we are adding of hydrogen. So this hydrogen is added to this side. So what was the product we are getting? Already CH is there. By the adding of another H, so that product is getting of CH2. By the addition in every time the bonds are decreases. So triple bond can getting converted into a double bond. So in water another ion is there. So what is the ion? OH minus. This OH minus ion is added to the this side. So what was the product we are getting? CH OH. So this reaction particularly in the presence of two type of conditions are there. So what was the conditions we are taking in this means 1% of HgSO4. So what is the name of HgSO4? Mercuric sulfate. And 30% of H2SO4 we are taking. So these are the reaction reagents by the addition of water. So we are getting of which product? Vinyl alcohol. So this vinyl alcohol furtherly involved onto the rearrangement. So rearrangement means some groups are exchanging with each other. So by the exchanging, by the rearrangement, finally we are getting of which product means acetaldehyde. So by the rearrangement of vinyl alcohol to getting of which product finally? Acetaldehyde. So how to getting of this particularly acetaldehyde means in OH we are separating right to the like this O bond H. So this bond getting of this side and this bond getting of this side. This hydrogen can come to the this CH2. So that is the why CH2 is already is there. This hydrogen by the adding of this CH2 we are getting of CH3. And then after CH is there as it is and this oxygen. So oxygen is nothing but we are writing another like form also. CH3 C double bond O H. So means in OH the bond can be the electrons can come to the this side. So by the getting of already in that which bond is present? Single bond is present. By the giving of an electrons from this side, the single bond getting to double bond. So O and then after CH by the adding of hydrogen come to the this CH2 getting of CH3. So this is the final product we are getting of addition of water. And what was the third one reaction? Addition of hydrogen. So addition of hydrogen, particularly acetylene is reacts with hydrogen to form which products initially? Ethylene. And then after by the addition of another mole of hydrogen we are getting a finally ethane. So ethylene, how to getting of ethylene and ethane by the addition of hydrogen means we are see that the reaction. So what was the formula of acetylene? CH triple bond CH. So hydrogen. So hydrogen we are taking of which formula? H2. So this is called as a, this reaction is called as a hydrogenation. So by the addition of hydrogen to the acetylene, what is the name of this particularly reaction means? Hydrogenation. So particularly hydrogenation reaction by the taking of some reagent we will be used particularly addition of hydrogen. So what was the reagent we are taking in this particularly reaction? Nickel. So nickel is used as a reagent by the which reaction? Hydrogenation reaction. By the getting of products finally what are the products we are getting? That ethylene and ethane. So how to getting of this particularly two type of products means we are seeing the reaction. So formula of acetylene is what is that? CH triple bond CH. In every reaction, what was the common process we are seeing? That addition. Addition is nothing but means by the taking of the reagent we are added to the acetylene. So that is the concept of this particularly reaction. So CH triple bond CH. So addition of hydrogen means how many hydrogens we are separating that H2, right, like this. First one is H, another one also H. So we are simply added the acetylene. So in that CH, by the divided onto the hydrogen, two type of hydrogens are there, H and H. So simply we are added to the acetylene. So CH, we are adding of one hydrogen from this side, getting of CH2. By the addition process, we are already tell that by the addition of any type of groups we are adding that the bonds are decreases. So that is the phenomena is involved onto the particular this reaction. So CH and hydrogen is added, converted into CH2. So triple bond getting of decreases into the double bond and CH. So another hydrogen is there. So this hydrogen is added to this side. So it is converted into a CH2. So same phenomena is also possible for the addition of hydrogen. So same similar manner. So what was the getting of a product initially means ethylene. So initially by the adding of hydrogens to the acetylene, initially we are getting of which product? Ethylene. So what was the formula of ethylene? CH2 double bond CH2. One more chance is also there by the involving onto the addition of hydrogen, that is particularly hydrogenation reaction in the presence of nickel. So how to possible for the hydrogenation reaction by the addition of this particularly ethylene means, so in ethylene how many bonds are there? Double bond is there. So by the addition, same phenomena. Addition is nothing but hydrogen is added to the ethylene. So same similar hydrogen H2 is divided into H and H. So same phenomena, one hydrogen is added to this side and another hydrogen is added to this side. So by the in every addition the bonds are decreases. So that is the concept to keep it mind. So double bond is converted into by the addition of the groups. Double bond converted into a single bond. Already in ethylene, how many hydrogens are there? Two hydrogens. By the addition of these hydrogens, CH2 is converted into CH3. And this side also same. CH2 is there. By the adding of hydrogen, this group also converted into the CH3. So finally we are getting of which product? Ethane is the final product, particularly addition of hydrogen. So what was the next one means addition of halogens. In addition of halogens, so what was the reaction we are observed? That means so same concept. Addition is the same. So by the taking of halogens, how many type of halogens are present particularly means, so fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are considered as a halogens. In that question, there is no giving that particularly halogen. So we are taking as any type of halogen, particularly this reaction. So we are taking of initially by the explanation of addition of halogens, we are taking of which halogen? In that question we are taking by the explanation of addition of halogens, we are selecting chlorine. If you like, we also taken as a bromine, iodine, are also taking for this particularly halogens as your wish. So in that I will take an addition of halogens, particularly I can take in which halogen? Chlorine is taken as an example for halogens. So how to addition of halogens, particularly acetylene means, acetylene is reacts with halogens to give, so what was the product? 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 tetrahaloethane. So this is the product by the addition of halogens. So how to getting of this particularly product by the addition of halogens means we are explaining the taking the one reaction. So what was the formula of acetylene initially? CH triple bond CH. So already we are mentioned that in halogens we are taking of any type of halogens. By the explanation of halogens reaction, I will taken as a chlorine is the halogen. So addition of halogen means I will take Cl2. So in Cl2 same phenomena. Addition is nothing but adding of groups from acetylene. So Cl2 means how many chlorines are there? 2 chlorines. So same concept, one chlorine is added to this side, another chlorine is added to this side. So in the presence of this reaction is possible for the reagent we are taking. What is the reagent? CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, is used as a reagent, particularly addition of halogens. By the adding of these two chlorines onto the acetylene, we are getting of this product. So what was the product? Already I will tell that. So by the addition, the bonds are decreases. So triple bond is converted into initially double bond, and this side one chlorine is added, so that is the why CHCl. Another side also we are adding of another chlorine is there, so that is the why CHCl. So this is the initially product by the addition of halogens. Another possible chance also there, so by the addition reaction. So same concept, same chlorine, same reagent. What is that? CCl4. So same phenomena, how many chlorines are there? 2 chlorines. So same this side, one chlorine is added, and this side another chlorine is added. In every time we are added, same concept, bonds are decreases. By the addition of these chlorines, the double bond get converted into the which bond? Single bond. So already initially this side, how many chlorines are there? One chlorine. By the addition of another chlorine, so we are finally getting of how many chlorines? 2 chlorines. So this side 2 chlorines and this side 2 chlorines. So that is why how many chlorines are there? So tetrahalo. Already in a above sentence, how many halogens we are getting a final product? Tetra. Tetra means 4. So in that we are example, by the taking of halogen, chlorine is there. So finally product we are getting of how many chlorines in that? In that 2 chlorines are present, in that 2 chlorines. So totally how many chlorines are there? So 4 chlorines are there. So that is the why tetra product we are getting. And positions are mentioned, 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2. So this is the first one and this is the second one. For example, CHCl, Cl. This is CHCl2, first one, and same product this side, CHCl, Cl. So what was the naming of this particularly we are getting means, so this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon. So in that first carbons, how many chlorines are there? 2 chlorines. So that is the way position we are mentioned, 1 comma 1. 2 chlorines are present on first carbon. That is the way we are mentioned 2 times. 2 chlorines are present in same carbon, same position. That is the way we are mentioned that 1 comma 1. And the second carbon also 2 chlorines are present. So that is the way we are mentioned the position and particularly this chlorines. So what is the positions we are getting of this? 2 comma 2. In second carbon 2 chlorines are there. So that is the way 2 comma 2. So totally how many halogens are present? Like chlorines are present, 4 chlorines. So that is the way we are mentioned that what is the pronunciation? Tetra. So that is the way 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 tetra haloethane. By the naming of this particularly this product means 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 tetra chloroethane. So this is the product by the addition of halogens. And what was the next one reaction? Addition of hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides means hydrogen is present and halogen is present. So what was the best example for the hydrogen halide we are taking in that means HCl, hydrogen halide. Halides are nothing but we are taking of any one of the halogen from by the adding of hydrogen, we are getting of hydrogen halides. So same phenomena in this also, addition process, by the adding of which product we are added to the acetylene, hydrogen halide is added to the acetylene. What was the product we are finally getting? Ethylene dihalide. Ethylene dihalide is the final product by the reaction by the addition of acetylene with hydrogen halide. So how to getting of this particularly ethylene dihalide means, so same formula. So what is the formula of acetylene? CH triple bond CH, and we are example for hydrogen halide we are taking as a HCl. So same product, same phenomena. So two groups are there, H plus and Cl minus. We are divided into the hydrogen halide separately, two groups. One is H plus, another one is Cl minus. So same, this side is added to hydrogen and Cl is added to this side. So triple bond, initially which bond is present? Triple bond. By the addition of these groups to the acetylene, the bonds are decreases. So triple bond get converted into the double bond. Already in acetylene CH is there. In hydrogen halide, we are added to the one of the hydrogen to the CH, we are getting of CH2, and CH2 double bond CH. In CH we are adding of Cl, that is converted into the CHCl. So another possible chance is also there by the addition of hydrogen halide. So what is that? HCl, same phenomena, H plus and Cl minus. So H is added to this side and Cl is added to this side. So what was the product? Same phenomena. By the adding of the groups, the bonds are decreases. So double bond get converted into the a single bond. Already CH2 is there. By the addition of another hydrogen, that group converted into a CH3, and CHCl, we are adding of another chlorine. So what was the product we are getting? CHCl2. And what was the next one reaction? Action of ammonical silver nitrate. So what was the formula for ammonical silver nitrate? Means we are taking of the combination for this. So this is called as a ammonical silver nitrate. So this is the combination of ammonical silver nitrate. So same phenomena, acetylene is reacts with ammonical silver nitrate. We are getting of which product? Silver acetylide. Silver acetylide. The formation of this particular silver acetylide is occurring onto the which precipitate? White precipitate. What is the color of this particularly formation of product? White precipitate. So how to formation of this particular silver acetylide? Means we are seeing that the reaction. So what was the formula of acetylene? CH triple bond CH. So the combination, these two combinations, these two type of compounds are, we are mentioned that ammonical silver nitrate. So what was the formula of ammonical silver nitrate in that particular? Silver nitrate is nothing but AgNO3. Silver nitrate is nothing but AgNO3 by the combination of ammonical. So by the ammonical in nature, we are taking as a NH4OH. So NH4OH and AgNO3, particularly this mixture is called as a ammonical silver nitrate. So seeing that ammonical silver nitrate, so we are taking as a, in the acetylene, how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there. So particularly by this getting of the product, we are mentioned that 2 type of hydrogens are present on acetylene. We are getting of the product silver acetylide. Just assume that. So 2 hydrogens are present. By the getting of the product, we are see that 2 silvers are there. So that is why silver nitrate solutions we are taking of how many moles? Particularly 2 moles. By the taking of 2 moles of silver nitrate, we are getting of acetylate. So how many silver groups are present on a final product? 2 silvers. So that is why 2 hydrogens replaced by 2 silvers. So that is why product C. So this side one Ag is added and this side is another Ag is added. Same product. So C Ag, a triple bond C Ag. So this is called as a silver acetylide. Silver acetylide. So 2 Ag is remaining. 2 Ag is added to the acetylene. So remaining how many groups are present? 2 nitrates. How many nitrates are present? 2 nitrates. And ammonical combination, ammonical hydroxide, we are taking of how many moles? 2 moles particularly. So 2 moles of ammonium hydroxide, and the remaining of how many nitrates are there? 2 nitrates. These 2 nitrates are added with 2 ammonium. So that is the way we are getting of 2 moles of NH4NO3. In that 2 NH4 are there. So in that 2 nitrates are there. So totally 2 moles of NH4NO3. And in that 2 hydrogens. And in that 2 OH. So finally we are getting of how many getting of water molecules we are getting? 2 moles of water molecules. So finally same reaction, action of ammonical cuprous chloride. So what was the cuprous chloride formula? Cu2Cl2. Ammonical, in that above mentioned that we are taking of ammonium hydroxide in that also. So by the acetylene is reacts with ammonical cuprous chloride to form which product? Cuprous acetylide. Cuprous acetylene is a which precipitate? Red precipitate. So same phenomena, by the replacing of two hydrogens we are adding up how many coppers? Two coppers. So in that one copper, Cu2 means Cu and Cu. In that one copper is added, in that one copper is added. We are getting of so remaining of how many chlorines are there? So by the action of ammonical cuprous chloride we are seeing that so acetylene, what is the formula of acetylene? CH triple bond CH. So by the combination of ammonical cuprous chloride, what was the combination we are taking that in that particularly cuprous chloride, ammonical cuprous chloride, Cu2Cl2, and taking of ammonium hydroxide. So these two combinations we are called as a ammonical cuprous chloride. So how to addition of this particularly cuprous chloride means how many chlorines are there? Two chlorines, Cu and Cu. By the addition of, by the replacing of two hydrogens we are addition of two coppers. One hydrogen, one copper, another hydrogen, another copper. We are getting of this product. So CCu triple bond CCu. So this is called as what was the product name? Cuprous acetylide. So this is a which precipitate? Red precipitate. So remaining, by the addition of two coppers, two chlorines are present. In that how many moles of ammonium hydroxide we are taking? 2 moles. So 2 moles of ammonium hydroxide, 2 ammonium ions are present and 2 hydroxide ions are present. So in that how many chlorines are present? 2 chlorines. So by the combination of these two, so 2 NH4Cl. So this is the product. So 2 ammonia and 2 chlorines. So this is the subproduct by this main product ammonium chloride. So remaining how many hydroxides are there? 2 hydroxides. By the addition process initially, by the removing of how many hydrogens to release 2 hydrogens, and how many OH groups are present? 2 OH groups means OH, OH. These are the 2 OH groups. So one hydrogen, one OH getting of one water molecule, and another hydrogen, another OH getting of another water molecule. So finally we are getting of how many water molecules by the byproducts? 2 water molecules. So same phenomena, these two reactions. So thank you for watching for this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and watch my more videos. Thank you.